In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Sendwave account quickly and easily. Whether you're switching services or simply want to close your account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to ensure it's smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Sendwave's official website. If you're more comfortable using the mobile app, that's perfectly fine too. The process is similar. Once you're on the Sendwave site or app, go ahead and log into your account. You'll need to provide your email address and password to access your personal Sendwave dashboard. After logging in, you'll arrive at the home page. Now what you want to do next is seek out the account or settings section of your dashboard. This is usually where options to manage your account can be found. If there is a straightforward cancel account option visible, you can click that to proceed immediately. However, don't worry if it's not there. It's quite common for some platforms to require a little bit more digging to locate the account deletion feature. If you don't see this option, your next step is to navigate towards the support section. This is a crucial step because it's the direct path to getting assistance from the Sendwave support team. On most sites and apps, the support or help section is always accessible, often located in the main menu or towards the bottom of the page, so you might need to scroll down to find it. Once you've accessed the support area, look for an option to chat with us or something similar. Clicking on this will initiate a conversation with Sendwave's customer support team. Be sure to clearly state your request to delete your account when chatting with the service representative. They'll guide you through the process and may ask for some additional verification information to ensure it's really you making the request. Be prepared to confirm details associated with your account. While chatting with support, it's a good idea to ask how long the account deletion process will take to fully complete, just to set the right expectations. Usually the team is pretty responsive and can provide you with the information you need. Remember, patience is key during this step, as it might take a little time, but rest assured you'll be heading in the right direction. And there you have it. By following these steps and utilizing the support chat feature, you should be able to delete your Sendwave account without any significant issues. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your account deletion process.